Hey guys, this is Nick here. Today we are. First of all, sorry for the late upload, even though it's only been a day since. I missed a day, but still. Most of the reason because I have something special planned, or at least something special to record that I've been playing for the past 3 days straight. I'm so bored. Anyway. Today we are reacting to another Meatcanyon animation. I don't know what this face is. For some reason it looks like the Mafia. It looks like a face of one of those big time Mafia guys from a long time ago. I don't know. It's been a while, so I don't know. Well, not been a while, it's only been a few days. Anyway, today is we're reacting to Railroad. I should have looked at the title first because I actually didn't know. I just tapped on it. As soon as it came up, I just saw the screen. I didn't read the name or anything. So go subscribe to Meatcanyon. Support him in everything he does. He does constant live streams, drawing little things. Well, when you guys join him, you guys should check out his stuff. Also, I got a new puppy. She's just there, lazy. Anyway, let's get this started. So, 3, 2, 1, boom. We got Mr. McQueen and
You sure is right about that, Lightning McQueen.
okay.
Sometimes it feels like we're the only two people in the world that know about this spot.
Also, sorry if there's noise in the background. That's music from my neighbor and well again, and the fan is right there. So.
Well, it was downright strange. Wasn't like no train I'd never seen before. Was it blue? Like a mystical blue?
So made her have Hank the Hill voice. Sounds like Hank the Hill.
Oh, yes! I couldn't have said it any better myself, Lightning. Man, that's exactly what it looked like. When I had that wreck a while back. Oh, boy, I remember. We all didn't think you were gonna make it out alive. It's pretty weird.
Is this spoilers to Cars 3? I have not watched Cars 3 as that came out so long ago. I have to watch Cars 3, I have to watch Wreck-It Ralph break the...
It was a strange feeling.
And I have a TV right here.
It was a place I've never seen before.
That's what happens when you're a kid born in 20s. 2000s. The honest out of your phones.
The only resemblance from the normal world was the sound of a train coming my way.
Oh God. Also, this was 6 minutes. He spent some time and effort on this.
Though it was the sound of a train, it felt like a thunderstorm. Like an earthquake was going to destroy the ground around me. And I would fall into a sea of nothingness. All I could do was anxiously hold my breath and brace for impact. But the impact never came. Instead, a smiling face appeared, melting from the darkness. Pale and cold, screeched forward on its tracks, only to stop right in front of me. It was as if I'd never spoken a single word in my life. I couldn't conjure a single sentence to say to him. But the train finally spoke, and I can still hear his voice in my mind.
Oh God.
chance at a life without pain, without heartache. This I can give you and more, just for your soul. I asked back to him.
What is Tom doing? Did he not have deal with Ed about the 25 cents thing?
Paradises that await me in heaven above. The train did not look to me. It didn't make a single sound. Through all the steam and moving parts controlling this demonic vessel, its only reply was, "Bring the rose." God's turned his back on you. That's why my tracks still push me forward.
Damn.
My body was afraid. Something new and unknown. May it be death? May it be hardship? Suddenly I woke from this nightmare.
Wow. I tell you what, that's downright horrifying.
Well, I haven't really slept well since then.
Oh, come on, Lightning. It's just a train. Nothing to be afraid of out here.
I know you're right. There's nothing to be afraid of now.
Oh, I broke it. Okay. Well, well, apparently that's it, I guess. So basically that was just 5 minutes, a full minute of Patreons apparently. But still, wow. We have all his supporters here, his Patreons, his people that helped him with this. I am so confused, like, he makes these for fun, yet they have meaning to some extent. God damn, speak properly. I don't know what to say. It's been a while because, well, not really. Why do I keep saying it's been a while? Every time I do something like this, it's always weird. I always feel weird talking like this, but anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go subscribe to Meatcanyon, support him, and support, well, him and everyone that helped him with this. Go to his Patreon, help him out. Like, he does amazing stuff, ideas. I don't know how he comes up with this. I love the Cat in the Hat. The Cat in the Hat was an interesting one. I have to say, that was a very interesting one. But this was also interesting. Let's see, they bring back Tom the Creepypasta. The amount of stuff I read on Tom with horror stuff. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below for more. Please, I need your comments. I have nothing else to watch. Like, this is the only thing I'm going to watch, and the surprise that I going to record, for my 3-day grind, I will upload that right after, well, not after, but sometime during the day after this. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you all later. Bye bye.
Don't forget